Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bigger Than Race, exposure to all things truth, whether you like it or not, with unique perspectives from different beings from all walks of life. This is Bigger Than Race. Investigate truth on your own terms. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bigger Than Race. This is your boy, Brando, aka Crypto Poppy, back with another video. And ladies and gentlemen, I am about to take you into the future. And when I say the future, I mean the things you cannot see. So sometimes you need to have somebody else that can help see it for you and bring it for your very eyes. Now, we hear a lot of things about artificial intelligence. We hear a lot of things about robots. But do we truly understand what is getting ready to happen? Do we know that the world is changing right before our very eyes? Are we aware that robots, artificial intelligence, will be consuming some of our jobs? Do you know that if you work at McDonald's or any fast food chain, that your damn job is up for grabs? Pretty soon, there's already robots that are flipping omelets on the Vegas Strip. In China, they are deep involved with robots cooking food and serving people. I seen a robot at goddamn Walmart. I had to run to the nearest employee to find out what the hell this damn thing was doing, scanning stuff. So we can see it if we can see it. But see, not everybody can see, because you got a lot of sheep out there in the world. And sometimes the sheep can see things, but they turn the other cheek. And that's the problem that I have with the world. But we're not going to go too deep into what I don't like about the world. I'm going to bring you one of the biggest, undervalued sleepers in all of blockchain, cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence. Now, there's a couple different coins out there, but there's only one SingularityNET. There's only one AGI. And I don't think you really understand what the singularity is all about. And by the end of this video, you will have an inclination, just a little bit, on what it's about. This is part one of a deep dive series that is very much needed, because we need to understand where things are headed. And I'm bringing you certain cryptocurrencies that I know will shape the future and change your lives in the years to come. Now, I've already given out certain cryptos, and if you have looked into them at the time that I presented them to you, you would already be making some money. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will advise on a couple different crypto projects. So, with further ado, we will dive into SingularityNET. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we can see here on the website, SingularityNET is the global AI network. SingularityNET lets anyone create, share, and monetize AI services at scale. The world's decentralized AI network has arrived. Now, I want to come over to the team real quick, because I'm not going to go deep on this website, because what I want to show you is not on the website. Now, an ecosystem of passionate minds led by Dr. Ben Goertzel. Our platform team and core AI team is complemented by specialized teams devoted to application areas such as robotics and biomedical AI. Our robotics work is carried out in close collaboration with Hanson Robotics, the world's leading humanoid robotics company, and a co-founder of SingularityNET. Our Ethiopia team focuses a portion of its time and on applications of AI to aid the developing world, but currently has a greater focus on assisting with OpenCog, biomedical, and computer vision applications. Now, this here, Hanson Robotics, is very important. So is OpenCog. So when I tell you 6 degrees of separation, you got to go down the rabbit hole a little bit. And ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you just got to go a little deep. Can I get an A, man? Can you say deep? Say how deep? Deep. Now, let's talk about Dr. Ben Goertzel. Who is he? This gentleman right here is the CEO and founder of SingularityNET, also one of the heads at OpenCog. Also, he was a head at Hanson Robotics. You see how they start things, they're over here, then they're over there, and then they're over here. But all of it is connected. Now, Goertzel is the CEO and founder of SingularityNET, a project combining artificial intelligence and blockchain to democratize access to artificial intelligence. He was a doctor of research of the Machine Intelligence Research Institute, the Singularity Institute. Goertzel was the chief scientist of Hanson Robotics, the company that created Sophia, the robot. Now, views on AI. In May 2007, Goertzel spoke at a Google Tech Talk about his approach to creating artificial general intelligence, AGI. He defines intelligence as the ability to detect patterns in the world and in the agent itself, measurable in terms of emergent behavior of achieving complex goals in environments. Achieving complex goals in complex environments. A baby-like artificial intelligence is initialized, then trained as an agent in a simulated or virtual world such as Second Life to produce a more powerful intelligence. God damn. I'm shocked even reading this, because this goes back to that TV show Upload. Now let's continue. Knowledge is represented in a network whose nodes and links carry probabilistic truth values as well as intention values, with the attention values resembling the weights in a neural network. Now, we just heard about Elon Musk with neural link. See, you got to put 2 and 2 together. Okay? Several algorithms operate on this network, the central one being a combination of probabilistic interference engine and a custom version of evolutionary programming. Now, when I tell you, in order for the big picture of where artificial intelligence is going, AGI, you have to have the singularity, which everything plugs into. Because ultimately, they want to connect humans to the singularity, which is the same thing that Neuralink is doing. So you need the Neuralink, but you also need to connect the Neuralink to the singularity. And basically, that's what the Neuralink does, which connects it to the singularity. So when I tell you, When we talk about artificial intelligence, everything out there that's artificial intelligence has to be involved with the mother lode, with the ship, with the freeway of artificial intelligence, the freeway of robotics, which is none other than SingularityNET. See, when I present these facts, I get so much more bullish. Now, you got some idiots out there that's going to say, well, he's reading from Wikipedia. Well, I'm about to take your ass to the facts. Okay? Now, before I do, let's dive into this article right here from Forbes. AI is the future of computing and SingularityNET is the future of AI. Do you not hear the goddamn title? It's singularity, not nothing else out there. Can you make money on other AI coins? Absolutely. But do you want to invest in the car? Or do you want to own the goddamn freeway? Now, some of you got simple minds, so you're going to own the car. But me and the people over here at Bigger Than Race, we're freeway owners. Your ass need to pay me a toll, goddammit. And I want it all in crypto. As I sip my coffee. What happens when you create an open AI marketplace that can learn from itself? Remember Sophia, the humanoid robot who was granted citizenship by Saudi Arabia. From the general media hubbub to the discussion surrounding the Saudis' government's treating of women's rights, the landmark event caused quite a stir across the web. You guys can watch this video here because I'll link everything. But behind all the buzz, SingularityNET, whose artificial intelligence technology powers the robot built by Hanson Robotics, has been working to completely revolutionize web as we understand it. What is SingularityNET? In some sense, the premise behind SingularityNET is fairly simple. SingularityNET is a decentralized open market for AI. SingularityNET CEO Ben Goertzel said in an interview with the author, it's a product aimed at becoming a bridge between AI developers and business users. Thinking of it this way helps keep your head somewhat attached to your body when you start trying to imagine a decentralized, interconnected network of AIs that can not only be purchased and shared via blockchain technology, they can actually learn from each other. AI is an umbrella category that houses four broad types, encapsulating a wide field of study that includes subsets you may have heard more of recently, i.e. machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing. AI is already a $233 billion industry, and some estimates predict it will reach, boom, $3 trillion by 2025. We are in 2020, about to be in 2021. Let some of that trickle down into AGI singularity. And you already know it is, because by the end of this video, you're going to know that SingularityNET is the future, is the hub. They need the singularity. You got to think. Don't just see stuff. Think. Now, we encounter AI every day. Though much of what emerges from the field isn't immediately obvious to the user. The point is to seamlessly optimize existing systems. This is also why we're starting to see a hockey stick curve of AI acquisitions over the past few years, congregating these systems in a handful of major corporations who then resell AI packages. Even though AI changes our lives by the day, it's a fragmented field. Many aren't able to see or learn from the work others are doing, unless they happen to be working in a company like Google, Facebook, or Salesforce. And even then, there's no discoverability for AI inventors. SingularityNET addresses the visibility issue, enabling everyday users from small business owners to brand managers and beyond to connect with AIs and AI developers who might have already developed the perfect solution. Say someone has a computer system doing something and they would like AI to do it better. Goertzel said, unless you're Google or Tencent, you're probably not going to build your own AI. You're going to be making your software grab AI from some software package or API. Those are the customers. Now, I'm not going to read this entire article. I want you guys to do a little research as well. So I'm going to dive into over here. This article, why we are building SingularityNET. Look at this robot, Sophia. I want you to understand, they got this chick already looking human as ever, but they can't tell you where they are. In the art of war, appear far when you're near. They keep showing you this half-headed ass robot, bald-headed ass robot, knowing damn well they got her with all kind of hairdos. I'm telling you, they so far off in the deep end, when you see it, you'd be like, damn. I digress. The AI revolution has begun. Mass adoption of AI is already here. Hundreds of hedge funds are directed by AI engines, trading billions of dollars in securities each day. Tech giants use AI to process billions of real-time data points every minute. Over half of all insurance companies use machine learning algorithms to make critical operational decisions. The $1.7 trillion healthcare industry is rapidly deploying AI systems for surgery, diagnosis, drug discovery, and more. But with nearly every industry racing to develop and deploy AI-powered technologies, the biggest growth is yet to come. According to Transparency Market Research, the global artificial intelligence market is projected to grow from $233.8 billion in 2017 to $3.1 trillion in 2025. Boom! Cooperation is still the holy grail of AI. And when they say cooperation, they mean all things connect. And it's got to connect to the goddamn SingularityNET. The biggest gains, however, will be experienced by AIs that can learn from each other, which is exactly what the SingularityNET is. Leveraging external data assets, and capabilities. There is currently no platform that enables this type of interoperability and coordination. The launch of such a platform would be one of the biggest breakthroughs ever in the evolution of AI. Now, that's why they're going to introduce you to the SingularityNET, which is everything they just said right here. This article was done in 2017. We're in 2020 now. Catch up, folks. SingularityNET is the first and only platform that allows AIs to cooperate and coordinate at scale. God damn. I'm about to go buy another bag before I finish this video. This removes one of the major limiting factors to AI growth today, the lack of interoperability, which severely restricts the ability to leverage the strengths and capabilities of individual AIs. With SingularityNET, companies, organizations, and individuals can empower their AI agents to participate in markets, buying and selling goods and services. No longer must AIs exist in silos, only capable of operating within a specific company, infrastructure, or industry. AIs can use SingularityNET markets to buy rare and valuable data assets or analytical capabilities that previously needed to be developed in-house from scratch. AIs can also use SingularityNET markets to monetize their own assets, creating massive value for proprietary information, algorithms, and functionality. This is a major market opportunity, and we've attracted the top minds in multiple fields to our development team. We have globally respected experts with PhDs in theoretical physics, probabilistic logic, and mathematics, not to mention decades of combined experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Here we have Dr. Ben Goertzel, Dr. David Hansen from Hansen Robotics, and Casio Penetchin. Now, I don't even need to finish the rest of this article. Because what I just showed you, what is missing in artificial intelligence is everything that SingularityNET is. See, when people ask me, what you think about Ocean Protocol? I don't really give a damn, because Ocean Protocol is a goddamn car. Ocean Protocol needs SingularityNET in order for it to do what it does. Everything has to plug into the Singularity. All these companies out there that you have no idea have their own AI discoveries. Companies like AI Facebook, Google AI, Microsoft. They all have their own artificial intelligence companies that are all in bed with the SingularityNET in some form or fashion. Remember, it's an illusion of a choice. But honestly, they all got to plug into the Singularity. Now, SingularityNET, we're going to dive into another bullish article. SingularityNET, the past, the present, and the future. This was done in 2019. In the nearly 2 years since the SingularityNET token generation event, both the AI and blockchain worlds have gone through a remarkable number of changes. Why is that? Because the Singularity. Cryptocurrency markets have boomed and boom! Busted and reoriented. Some major corporations and governments have adopted blockchain in critical roles, whereas others have abandoned their blockchain initiatives in frustration. New secure decentralized algorithms and new tokenomic business mechanisms have flourished. AI has increasingly penetrated all areas of industries, and neural models for speech, language, and vision have become an everyday part of life. Google Assistant's interpreter mode, to name one random but exciting example, is a decent emulation of the Star Trek communicator. At the same time, concern about the oligopolization of AI and the democratization of personal data analytics has become far more widespread, with Microsoft's $1 billion investment into OpenAI, which I will jump into in the later part of this video. The concept of artificial general intelligence, which is AGI, which is the ticker to SingularityNET's coin, has become truly mainstream and is now on the tips of the tongues of national leaders and business leaders worldwide. The interaction of AI and blockchain, which many people perceived as futuristic and unusual in late 2017, is now the subject of wild cornucopia of conferences, projects, and startups. Alongside all these other incredible changes and advances, SingularityNET's team of 50-plus AI and blockchain professionals has been steadily hard at work, creating a decentralized software platform capable of hosting the world's commercial and beneficial AI services, like they just mentioned, the Google Assistant. Come on, dog. And serving as a breeding ground for tomorrow's artificial general intelligence. Dude, do y'all not understand what the hell I'm reading to you? I don't even think you understand. I talk to people about AGI, SingularityNET, and they be looking at me like I'm crazy. Talk to me in about 22. Just talk to me in 2001 to 2025. If SingularityNET gets 10% of that 3 trillion, we going to the goddamn moon. But what I know is that SingularityNET will get majority of that. And the reason that is because the Singularity is needed by every other artificial intelligence company that is out there. And that's what they don't tell you. That's what you don't see. But I'm going to connect the dots and show you. God damn it, we playing tic-tac-toe around here. Okay? 2017 was the year of SingularityNET's conception, when the vision of decentralized AI platform and emerging global intelligence came together with realities of Ethereum smart contracts and modern tokenomic network design. Now, before I go deeper, Dr. Ben Goertzel was already in talk with Cardano, jumping onto their blockchain. So, matter of fact, I'm not even going to finish this article. You guys can go dive a little deeper for yourself. Actually, let me just say a little bit of the partnerships real quick that this article has. Alongside these technical advances in 2019, the SingularityNET Foundation signed high-level partnerships with Fortune 500 enterprises such as Cisco, Domino's, Enixis, Ping-On, and PICC. Those are big companies. Okay? If you don't know who they are, do your research. I'm diving into the next article. SingularityNET announces the successful integration of PayPal payments in its decentralized beta marketplace. Now, why is that? Because they want to bring artificial intelligence to the masses. And you've heard a lot of news about PayPal with this, PayPal with that. PayPal is getting ready to release its own exchange. And who do you think is going to be on that exchange? SingularityNET, AGI. Ladies and gentlemen, I ain't even going to read this article to you. You can read it yourself. But PayPal's 286 million users, SingularityNET opens its doors to much wider scope of customers. Earlier versions of SingularityNET's marketplace required customers to pay for AI services offered by AI agents in the network directly using the AGI utility token. With the recent update, the marketplace is now open for customers who have no experience with cryptocurrency. The increase in adoption enabled by PayPal integration will accelerate the realization of SingularityNET's vision of a decentralized marketplace powered by blockchain technology and based on tokenomic incentives, serving customers across vertical markets and achieving increasing levels of artificial and general and goddamn intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, this is some big news. Information be right out there in front of your face. Look at all the partnerships they got. Just look at the partnerships. Look at the partnerships of Glory View, who SingularityNET is partnered with. Just look at it. Remember how I always tell you 6 degrees of separation. Now, OpenCog. OpenCog is a unique and ambitious open source software project. Our vision is to create an open source framework for artificial general intelligence, intended to one day express general intelligence at the human level and beyond. And who is over this organization? None other than Dr. Ben Goertzel. And do you want to know a funny fact? Do you know who invested in OpenCog? None other than Jeffrey Epstein. I got the article to prove it. I ain't going to read it to you because I don't really give a damn about Jeffrey Epstein. But I will link it. OpenCog is connected to about 50 different companies. 50 different companies. And I'm going to name 3 of them right now, which is Cisco, Hawaii, and Hanson Robotics. And the other part of the 50 companies, the other 47, I can't find who the companies are because they don't want to let you know everything. Remember, it has to be an illusion of a choice. But you know what? Crypto Poppy always goes deep. I'm going to find it through 6 degrees of separation. Which brings me here. Elon Musk, OpenAI, and SingularityNET. OpenAI and SingularityNET are both working towards AGI. Is this a competition or a competition or even a cooperation? How do they differ? Are the AIs on OpenAI open source? Are they on SingularityNET? Ladies and gentlemen, they got to plug into the SingularityNet. OpenAI, Microsoft just invested $1 billion in that. Ladies and gentlemen, they don't want to let you know what the big players are in the crypto market. That's why they will put the flashy stuff out there while they're hiding all of the real stuff. So you're seeing Ocean do its thing. They're announcing partnerships with Mercedes, Rolls Royce. I'm telling you, if they're making partnerships with goddamn Rolls Royce and Mercedes, Daimler, didn't I just say they're the goddamn car? While AGI SingularityNET is the fucking freeway? Are you guys not thinking? Do you not see what I see? Do you not see we are on the precipice? We are on the cusp. We are on the edge, the deep end of becoming multi-millionaires. Only if you invest in what the hell I'm telling you about. Okay? And that is not financial advice. I'm not saying you can't make money investing in cars. Yeah, you can. But I was in the car flipping business. I was making thousands. I wasn't making meals. You understand me? I'm in the freeway flipping business. I need to own the toll. You guys gonna pay me a toll fee, and I want it paid in AGI. Now let's go to OpenAI. Now this is OpenAI, who Elon Musk is behind. But I want to take you to the partnerships, okay? Because OpenCog is definitely connected to OpenAI. Open. Cog. OpenAI. And who was one of the founders of PayPal? Oh, that's right. Elon Musk. See, you got to put in work. Now, look at the rest of the people that are using the 50 tech companies that are behind OpenCog. But they're all showing right here on OpenAI. See, this is how they do things. They're very clever, but you got to understand. You got to read in between the lines. You got to find the resources. Now, look at all these companies. Microsoft, Amazon. These are all major companies. BBC. They all got to use the singularity. Look at this. And when it's time, all of this is going to plug right into the singularity. And you'll see that they're all together. Google. Look at all this. Microsoft. Bruh. OpenAI. Samsung. Soft Group. Sony. Dude, let me tell you something. One thing you cannot tell me is that I don't know what I'm talking about. When I tell you there is many things out there that you can invest in, but what you want to invest in is the real future. Artificial intelligence is the future. It's the now. Why do you think people are not working? Because they're getting ready for your ass not to work. Because your job is going to be consumed by the AI. Ladies and gentlemen, this is part one to this artificial intelligence singularity connection. When I tell you, this is huge. When I tell you, I just made myself even more bullish. I'm about to go buy another bag of AGI. If you don't have some, you need to own some. If you don't have none, you need to get some. And if you listen to the sound of my voice, you are a very smart human being. See, I don't just talk about the coins. I show you the facts. I provide the links. I show you the research. I show you the connections. People ask me, how do I find these things? because I don't operate with the same mindset. I'm operating by 6 degrees of separation. And I would advise all of my people out there to do the same. Now, I want to thank all of the new subscribers that have been coming. I want to thank everybody who comments, who likes. Look, we're growing. We're small, but we're a mighty bunch. And the great thing about this channel is we provide you truth and facts. Now, I want to thank my partner in crime, the one who remains to be seen, Sparks. And I want to thank all of my people, the new friends that I have been making because of this channel. I want to thank all of you. Guys, you can always communicate with me. If you have questions, you can ask. If you have some information that I should be aware of, just send it my way. I don't know everything. I know a lot of stuff, but I don't know everything. But I want to learn more. And I want to learn more about you. So please, comment. Let me know down in the comment box if you are bullish on AGI. Or comment if you see what I see. Comment if you see the 6 degrees of separation. Reassure me that AGI SingularityNET is the freeway of all AI, artificial intelligence, artificial general intelligence. Dr. Ben Goertzel is the one who coined the phrase artificial general intelligence. His ass been working on artificial intelligence before a lot of people were working on artificial intelligence. So, anything that I present on this channel is going to be A1 level. I don't chase the hype. Chainlink is going up. Great for Chainlink. And great for everybody else who holds it. I don't hold that goddamn thing. I'm over here owning some goddamn AGI. Because I know where this is headed. You talk about Link, Chainlink. What about Neuralink? Elon Musk, which is connected to the AGI singularity. That's the only goddamn link I care about. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. This is your boy Crypto Poppy, aka Brando. This is Bigger Than Race. Investigate truth on your own terms.